Hello friends! Choosing a gaming mouse, one of the most important equipment affecting your game performance, is not as simple as you might think. So, what features should you pay attention to? Let's get started right away. First, the DPI setting is very important. The higher the DPI, the faster your mouse cursor moves. But this does not always mean better. You should choose the right DPI according to the type of game you play. Next, ergonomics, or how the mouse fits your hand, is crucial because your hand needs to be comfortable during long gaming sessions. Decide whether you prefer a wireless or wired mouse. Although wireless mice offer freedom, sometimes their response time may not be as fast as wired ones. Also, the number of buttons and programmable keys provide a big advantage, especially in MMO or RTS games. Durability and material quality are also critical for long-lasting use. Finally, don't forget to consider your budget. An expensive mouse does not always guarantee the best performance. If you pay attention to these criteria when choosing a gaming mouse, your gaming experience will definitely be more enjoyable and efficient. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Good luck!